Now, US President Donald Trump dialed Prime Minister Modi for a telephonic conversation on Wednesday, which came just hours before Donald Trump's scheduled meet with Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir at the White House that is slated to take place later in the day. During the 35-minute phone call, Prime Minister Modi informed the US President that India's counter-terrorism operation, which is Operation Sindoor, is ongoing, while underlining that India will not accept any mediation on Pakistan. The US President expressed his support for India's fight against terrorism. President Donald Trump also accepted an invitation to attend the next Quad meeting that will be taking place in India. Prime Minister Modi was expected to meet President Donald Trump at the G7 summit in Canada, but the US President left the summit early. Subsequently, at President Donald Trump's request, the two leaders spoke over phone. Trump also invited Prime Minister Modi to visit the US on his return journey, but Prime Minister Modi declined the invitation due to a pre-existing schedule. Prime Minister Modi also briefed President Trump on Operation Sindoor and detailed the events on 6th of May and the 7th, when India launched precision strikes that targeted terror hideouts in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Prime Minister Modi told Trump that India's actions were measured, precise and non-escalatory. Briefing reporters on the conversation, Foreign Secretary of India Vikram Misri said that Prime Minister Modi told President Trump that India would respond to Pakistan's bullets with shells.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा कि 6-7 मई की रात को भारत ने पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में सिर्फ आतंकी ठिकानों को ही निशाना बनाया था। भारत के एक्शन बहुत ही मेजर्ड, प्रिसाइज और नॉन एस्केलेटरी थे। साथ ही भारत ने यह भी स्पष्ट कर दिया था कि पाकिस्तान की गोली का जवाब भारत गोले से देगा।
Prime Minister Modi also recalled his conversation with Vice President J.D. Vance on 9th of May, during which the latter had warned of a possible major attack by Pakistan. The Indian Prime Minister categorically stated to President Trump that there was no discussion or involvement of the United States in any mediation efforts, and that India has never accepted nor it will ever accept third-party mediation in matters concerning Pakistan.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी।
This was the first call between the two leaders since 22nd of April, when President Trump had called Prime Minister Modi to express condolences and voice support against terrorism after the Pahalgam terror attack. Donald Trump had earlier claimed that the US had mediated a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, a claim that's been rejected by India, and that in fact Donald Trump had also said that he had personally spoken to leaders of both nations to resolve their issues if they wanted to do trade with the US. The two leaders also touched on the Israel-Iran conflict and the war in Ukraine, stressing the need for direct dialogue to restore peace. Furthermore, Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi discussed strategic importance of the Quad alliance in the Indo-Pacific region. Editor for Foreign Affairs, Siddhant Sibal, has sent us this report. Listen in.
इंडो पैसिफिक क्षेत्र के संबंध में दोनों नेताओं ने अपने परिप्रेक्ष्य साझा किए और इस क्षेत्र में क्वाड की अहम भूमिका के प्रति समर्थन जताया। क्वाड की अगली बैठक के लिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को भारत यात्रा का निमंत्रण दिया। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने निमंत्रण स्वीकार करते हुए कहा कि वे भारत आने के लिए उत्सुक हैं।
Before the US President Donald Trump is going to host the Pakistani Field Marshal Asif Munir. The US President spoke to the Indian Prime Minister, and of course during that telephonic conversation the Indian Prime Minister made it clear that when it comes to India-Pakistan issue, this has to be resolved bilaterally. No third party mediation will be accepted, and clearly pointed out to the developments of May, when of course India undertook its Operation Sindoor, strikes on terror camps in Pakistan in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack, and of course made it clear that if there is a terror attack from Pakistan, India will respond decisively. And one thing that the Indian Prime Minister made it clear was that the ceasefire understanding that both sides agreed was because the Pakistani side requested the Indian side. This is something that is very important given the fact that the US President has been claiming that he should be credited for the understanding between the two countries. But all in all, there was focus on the ongoing war between Israel and Iran, the ongoing war in Europe between Ukraine and Russia, and of course the Indo-Pacific as well. In fact, the Indian Prime Minister invited the US President for the upcoming Quad Summit here in India. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.